Hi everybody. I had a few people who've asked me about finding information in the Keiser library, so I decided to make a video real quick. So if you log into Blackboard and go into your classroom, in your left-hand corner there is a uh, library section, so click on that. It will automatically, or it should automatically, take you into the library. Then go up to the annotated database list. So this um, for this research project, you can either use EBSCO or ProQuest. So if you click on P for ProQuest, go down and you'll find ProQuest Central. Then when you click on that, it will open another tab. Or it should open a tab, not very quickly. Okay, so here's where you would put in your search criteria. So you might be um, Maersk for the shipping line Maersk, and then put in political issues, maybe put in um, safety concerns, 2011. What I will say about your references is that they do need to be from, let's see, 2016 and on. Anything past that will not be accepted for reference because it's too old. So from 2016 on to 2020. All right. So that's ProQuest. And if you go back to the library, click on annotated database, E for EBSCO, then scroll down to where you see EBSCO database platform. It'll open another tab. Then scroll down to business source, or any other one that you think might have some information. But business is usually what I use here. And click on that. And then put your search criteria in, and it will search different scholarly articles, journals, newspaper articles, magazine articles, things like that. So that's how you do it. If you have any other further questions, please let me know, and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. Don't feel free to also call the library, and they will assist you with your search as well. Okay? Have a good day.